Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm really excited to dive into today's topic because if you've ever thought about launching your own online course or even just wondered how some creators are turning their expertise into a thriving business, then you're in the right video. Today we're going to take a close look at Thinkific, a platform that's been making waves in the world of online education. Now, I know what you might be thinking. There are so many tools out there. What makes Thinkific different? And that's exactly what we're here to explore. I'll be walking you through everything from the user-friendly course creation tools and sleek design options to the pricing plans and support systems that Thinkific offers. Whether you're just starting out or you're already deep into building your online empire, I'm going to break it all down in a way that's easy to understand, relatable, and most importantly, useful. So grab a cup of coffee, settle in, and let's talk about why Thinkific might just be the game-changing tool you need for your online course journey. Let's get started. Alright, so let's dive into what Thinkific actually is. In a nutshell, Thinkific is an online platform that empowers anyone, whether you're a seasoned educator, a budding entrepreneur, or simply passionate about sharing your expertise, to create, market, and sell online courses and membership sites. What makes it so appealing is its user-friendly approach. You don't need to be a tech whiz to get started. Thinkific offers an intuitive drag-and-drop course builder that lets you design your courses just the way you envision them. From embedding videos and quizzes to setting up assignments, everything is designed to be accessible and straightforward. But Thinkific isn't just about course creation. It also provides robust tools to help you manage payments, track student progress, and even integrate with popular marketing platforms. This means you can not only build your course, but also grow your audience and scale your business seamlessly. In essence, Thinkific is a one-stop shop for anyone looking to turn their knowledge into a thriving online business. Whether you're looking to launch your first course or expand a well-established educational venture, Thinkific has features that cater to all stages of your journey. So, if you want to try Thinkific, you'll find the official website link in the description box below. Once you click on that link, you'll be directly redirected to Thinkific's official page, where you can explore all of the platform's features, pricing options, and many more details. Okay? Now that we've got a clear idea of what Thinkific is all about, let's jump into some of its standout features that are making waves among course creators. First off, the course creation tools. Thinkific's drag-and-drop builder makes it incredibly easy to design your courses exactly the way you envision them. Whether you want to embed videos, quizzes, PDFs, or downloadable resources, you can do it all without any coding knowledge. And if you're someone who loves having creative control, you'll appreciate the high level of customization available, from tweaking layouts and colors to integrating your own branding elements. But Thinkific isn't just about getting your content online. It's also designed to boost student engagement. The platform includes interactive elements like discussion forums and quizzes that keep your learners involved. Plus, you can set up automated emails and drip schedules to guide your students through the course at their own pace. And if you want to add a little extra incentive, you can even award certificates upon course completion, something that really adds value and credibility to your offering. Another great aspect is its built-in marketing and sales toolkit. Thinkific comes with seamless payment integrations, so you can easily accept payments from around the world. Whether you're planning to offer one-time courses or subscription-based memberships, the platform is flexible enough to handle various pricing models. Moreover, it integrates with popular email marketing tools and analytics platforms, making it easier to track your course performance and engage with your audience effectively. And for those who might be a bit tech-shy, you'll be happy to know that Thinkific is designed with simplicity in mind. The user interface is clean and intuitive, ensuring that you can focus on creating valuable content rather than wrestling with complicated software. So whether you're just starting out with your first course or you're looking to expand your existing educational empire, Thinkific's robust feature set is built to support you every step of the way. Okay, so now that I've covered what Thinkific is and its cool features, let me share what it's really like to work with it day in and day out. You know, sometimes it's not just about what a platform can do, it's about how it makes you feel when you use it. When I first logged into Thinkific, I was pleasantly surprised by how welcoming the dashboard is. It didn't feel cluttered or overwhelming at all. Instead, it felt like everything was laid out just the way I needed it, which saved me a ton of time. I could quickly jump into editing my courses or checking on student progress without getting lost in menus. It's those little things that really add up to a smooth daily workflow. Another thing that stood out was how the platform just flows as you work through your tasks. Imagine this. You're in the middle of tweaking a lesson, and you suddenly remember you need to adjust your pricing settings. With Thinkific, switching between these tasks feels seamless. There's no need to hunt around for options. The interface just guides you naturally from one step to the next. It almost feels like it was designed with your thought process in mind. I also have to mention how handy it is when you're not sitting at your computer. Whether I'm checking on my course updates from my phone during a quick break or making a minor tweak on a tablet, the experience remains smooth and consistent. That kind of flexibility means you're not tied down to your desk, which is a huge bonus if you're juggling multiple projects or just like the freedom of working on the go. And let's be real, every platform has its learning curve. While Thinkific is largely intuitive, there were moments when I had to pause and dive into a tutorial or two, especially when exploring some of the more advanced settings. But honestly, I appreciated that the help resources are so accessible. It made the occasional deep dive feel like less of a chore and more of a chance to really master the platform. Overall, using Thinkific day-to-day has felt like having a reliable partner who's there to back you up. It minimizes the usual tech headaches so you can focus more on crafting great content and less on navigating a complicated system. Alright, so now that we've explored what Thinkific is capable of and how it feels to use day-to-day, let's shift gears and talk about something that's on everyone's mind: pricing. I know that at the end of the day, whether you're just starting out or you're ready to scale, you need a solution that not only works well, but also fits within your budget. Let's start. There are 3 plans available in Thinkific: Basic Plan, Start Plan, and Grow Plan. The price of the Basic Plan starts at $36 per month. Then the price of the Start Plan starts at $74 per month, and the price of the Grow Plan starts at $149 per month. Among these 3 plans, the most popular plan is the Start Plan, which costs $74 per month. It allows you to upload unlimited courses. You also get the option for unlimited digital downloads. Additionally, you can have unlimited coaching, live sessions, membership, and many other benefits. So, if you are just starting, or if you already have a course, you can start with this plan. Now, Thinkific offers a 14-day free trial, which means you can explore all the features and play around with the course builder and see if it truly fits your needs, all without spending a penny. This free trial is a great opportunity to dive in and see how the platform works in real time. Whether you're testing the waters or just curious to see how these features can elevate your online course business, those 14 days can really give you a solid sense of whether Thinkific is right for you. If you're ready to take it for a spin, just click the link in the description below. That link will take you directly to the free trial sign-up page, where you can get started immediately. Alright, let's dive into the pros and cons that make Thinkific an excellent choice for building and selling online courses. First, discuss the pros. First, Thinkific is incredibly user-friendly. The platform greets you with a clean, intuitive dashboard that makes course creation straightforward and enjoyable, even if you're just starting out. The drag-and-drop builder is a real game-changer, allowing you to add multimedia elements like videos, quizzes, and downloadable resources effortlessly, without any need for technical know-how. Then, another big plus is the flexibility it offers. With plans such as the Start Plan, you can upload unlimited courses and digital downloads. This means you're free to grow your content library without worrying about hitting any limits. Plus, features like coaching sessions, live sessions, and membership options give you the power to create a truly engaging and interactive learning environment for your students. Then, customization is also a strong suit of Thinkific. You have the freedom to tailor your course pages to perfectly reflect your brand. This level of personalization not only makes your courses look professional, but also helps you stand out in the crowded online learning space. Moreover, integrated marketing tools like email automation and detailed analytics ensure you can reach your target audience effectively and track your progress as your business grows. And here's another fantastic benefit. Thinkific offers a 14-day free trial. This This means you can explore all these features firsthand without any upfront commitment. It's a great opportunity to see how the platform works for you and to get comfortable with its interface before making a decision. Now, let's discuss the con. While Thinkific is incredibly user-friendly and packed with robust features, but it has one small con. And that is some of the more advanced customization options may have a slight learning curve for beginners. However, this minor challenge is easily overcome with the comprehensive support resources available. All right. That's a wrap on our in-depth look at Thinkific. To sum it all up, Thinkific stands out as a reliable, feature-packed platform that makes online course creation accessible and scalable. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, its intuitive interface, flexible pricing plans, and robust feature set can really help take your course business to the next level, even with that one minor learning curve for advanced customization. So, if you're ready to get started, then click the first link in the description below. This ensures you're getting the best offer and helps support the channel at the same time. So if you liked the video, please give it a like and subscribe to this channel to see more videos like this. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.